Hi guys, today's video is inspired by 1 Timothy 6:6. Godliness with contentment is great gain. So welcome to this video. As always, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Up on a few things from the market. So I grabbed some bananas over here, some tomatoes over here, some mangoes, as you can see. The coast region mangoes, Mombasa mangoes, are in season. Some coriander, fresh coriander, cabbage. Cabbages are doing so well. This one was going for 30 bob. The size, I think it's because of the rains. And then some biriganyas over here. Of course, you guys know I love biriganyas. Carrots are not doing so well right now. I don't know why, but they're not in the market. Also, onions, they're not doing so well compared to how I buy them. These ones were going for 4 for 20. This is not a good price. Also, these ones are not also in the market right now. I don't know what's happening with onions. You know me with onions. Also the spring onions, you know me with onions. And then some avos. It's the season for avocados, so yeah, it's 10 shillings each. And a beetroot. So that's what I got for my simple market haul. And some turmerics over here. So I'm going to show you how I store them in my tiny fridge. Hope you enjoy. So let me show you how I store my veggies and fruits in my small fridge. My fridge is not that big. It's a fridge. So on this side I have the chilies, the gingers, garlic, and then over there the bananas and some juice over there. Then right here, this is where I place the tomatoes and lemons. So down here, this is how I store my danias. Put a serviette under, and then you put in a airtight lid. And then over here, this is how I store my spring onions. Then of course my red pepper, some leftover cabbage. These are Ziploc bags. These ones. That's how I store the biriganyas. The same with the carrots. That's how I store them. Same way. These are French beans in the same Ziploc bag. And then over here, the cabbage. I just put it the way it is, and then now when I cut it, I wrap it with a cling film. So over here the fruits are right here. So that's how my tiny fridge looks like. That's how I store my fruits, my veggies in my small fridge. Hello my people, hope you guys have been doing great. Hello, how are you doing? So today's video, I want to give you a kitchen tour I have my tiniest kitchen. This is where you guys see me do a lot of things. You've seen me cook here, so today I want to do this, so let's do this. So my kitchen is like that. At the entrance, we don't have a door. So I put that curtain over there. So actually where I'm standing is the corridor. The only thing dividing the corridor and the kitchen, you see that capilla over there? That's the only thing dividing the kitchen and the corridor. So let's get into the tiny kitchen. So right here there's those shelves over there, and I've put in some nails and I'm hanging my aprons. So those are my aprons, and then directly to this curtain is my fridge. I showed you guys how my fridge looks like, and it stands on a, let me show you, like it stands on top of that storage thingy. To the fridge, you get into here and you see the cooker. That's my cooker right there. So yeah, that's where I cook every meal. And then right here I have this counter that I've made for myself, using plywoods. And of course you have seen that book, The Art of Cooking. And then right here there is that shelf, made shelf. I have those things over there. This rack, that's where I put spoons and knives. And then there's that basket over there. That's where I put first aid kit, some medicine, and matchbox. On top of a sink I have my kettle, and then on the window I have that spice rack over there. And then right there is that rack for hanging spoons and pans. And then that's the window. I thrifted that small curtain right on top of the sink. Yes, right on top of the sink you see some thermos, my milk bottle, and my rack that after I clean those utensils I put my utensils there. There's a rack, and that's the sink. There are some beans over there that needs to be boiled. And then there's this utensil cleaner holder, whatever. So that's it. So after you get to the sink, now right here, that's why I keep my plates there. See, those are my plates. And then on this shelf, those are cups. That's why I keep my cups and glasses. Over here, that's flour, rice, and oats. And then on top of that shelf, that's why I put my other big pots. Then right here, some of those cans and some hot pots. And then lastly here, extra shopping. So that's where there is extra shopping. So that's how my kitchen looks like from this angle. That's how it looks like. That's how it looks like. And then now let me bring you back over here. Under the shelf we have those things. It looks like whatever. We have those, my pot under there, and then we have onions and some macadamia, and under there, that's where I put my potatoes, but I don't have potatoes right there right now. Then my meko is right there. Let me set you guys here so that we can open this thing. So inside here, that's where the disaster is. So that's why I put my cooking covering pots, whatever, over there, and hot pots just inside, and my, it's called what, bread toaster, my, this one, let me call it this one, the blender, yes. So that's how I put everything that I don't use often, put them under there. And then right under we have those, they're called what, steel wire kiberiti candles. This bucket has plastics that I don't use, and right inside there we have thermos and some storage water. So that's how that place looks like. Yes, yeah. And now let me move you to this other one. So this is under the sink. That's how it looks like. This is where I store my shopping bags, and also under there some shopping bags and gunias. That's all that is under the sink. Yeah, so that's how my tiny kitchen looks like. This is where you see me do all those recipes that I do. It's a small kitchen, but it is workable. Yeah, I hope you have enjoyed. If you have enjoyed, like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.